All right, this is a hot glue gun. Everyone knows what that is. It's compatible with Milwaukee 18-volt batteries. Boom. Really neat. So you load in your hot glue gun. If you don't want to use hot glue gun, I'm sure you do, but it comes with 30 sticks. Really nice. Basically, you squeeze the trigger and the glue comes out. I just turned this one on, but you can see the glue is coming out. And this is for anything that you want to hot glue together. I use this sometimes for trimming, doing trim work, or making kind of templates, so you can basically hot glue gun wood together. And it's really convenient because you don't have a plug or anything like that. You can see there's an indicator. It says that it's on. It has an on and off button here. So it does take a second or two, just like every other hot glue gun, to warm up. So you can actually start using the glue. But yeah, pretty neat. I don't see any issues with it. It's really nice. It's red and it works. It's got hot glue coming out with a squeeze of a button. What more do you want? And it works with 18-volt batteries. Check it out. Really cool. I like it.